Hey guys, I got a really nice problem set for you guys to try. So in this function slash composite function problem, I want you guys to have a go at evaluating all of these ones on the left with these three functions at the top, and then I want you guys to have a go at solving each one with the given values on the right hand side. Okay, so let's have a go and crack each one of these down. So the very first problem. So we have to find the value of the function at the point 3, and that is the very first one, guys. So when x equals 3, we have 3 plus 5, and that should give us 8. Nice and easy. Now g3. So g3 is just when the x value for the g function is 3. So we have 3 times 3, which is 9, minus 2, which should give us 7. H5 would be the same thing for the h function, so x at 5, so it'd be 5 squared, which is 25, plus 2 times 5, so this part is 10. 25 plus 10 is 35. So 3, 5. So far so easy, isn't it? Now let's keep going. So h minus 2, same thing for the final, for the h1. So when h is x is negative 2, we've got minus 2 squared, which is 4. And 2 times minus 2 is minus 4. So 4 take away 4 is nothing. Okay, now g2. So when x is 2 for the g function, we're going to have 3 times 2 is 6, minus 2 is 4. Okay, so it gets easy. Now at this stage, you should be pretty good. Let's try this one. The function, so we're going to find the value of the function at g2. So what this means is that we're going to replace the function x over here with whatever the value g2 is. So wherever g2 was, we found out here that it was 4. So we need to find the value of the function at the point 4. Okay, and this is simply when x is 4 for f. So 4 plus 5 is 9. Okay, so it does look tricky, but it's actually dead easy if you think about it. So now what is the value of the function at 4? First, let's do this again. So you want to find the value of the h function at the point f4. So f4 again, replace x with 4, which we did. So f4 we found out is 9. So h at 9 is what? 9 squared is 81. And we got 2 times 9 is 18. So 81 plus 18, I believe, is 99. Alright, so that's the first set done. Okay, so hopefully check your answers, see if you got this, guys. So remember, this is the homework sheet. Now have a go at doing the right hand side. So we're going to solve these problems. So now we want to solve this function when the entire function equals 12. So this means we're going to have fx, which is x plus 5, and this should be equal to 12. And this is just a case of algebra now. So all we have here now is, therefore, subtracting 5, we're going to get the value x, which is plus 7. Not bad. Now gx when it equals 58, so same thing, equate the gx function, so 3x minus 2 must equal 58. Do some maths. Plus 2 will give us 60, so 3x equals 60. And finally, dividing by 3, x should give us 20. Nice. Now last one, when hx equals 8, so looking at this one here, equate this function to 8, and we should get this. So therefore, we're going to have x squared plus 2x must equal 8. Now one thing to note here, that this is going to look like a quadratic equation, so we're going to have to subtract the 8 across. So we're going to have x squared plus 2x minus 8 equals 0. And this my friends, should be easy, I hope. So to see how to work this out, you need to pick two numbers that multiply to make 8, so you should be okay at factorizing quadratics. So this is the double bracket problem. So we've got a bracket here and a bracket there, and it should equal 0. Two numbers times to get 8, which has a difference of a sum of 2. So we can think of 8 as a combination of 4 times 2, which is actually the best choice here, because 4 times 2 is 8, and 4 take away 2 is 2. So if we put plus 4 and minus 2, you can see that to get 2x, you got, let's have a look, 4x minus 2x will give us 2x, and 4 times minus 2 is negative 8. And that's it, guys, so that's perfect. So now let's have a look at the final bit, yeah? So therefore, this means that the values are x now, so we've got x plus 4 would equal 0, therefore x equals negative 4. And the second solution would be x minus 2 equals 0, therefore x equals positive 2. And that's it, guys. Hope this video helped, and if you enjoyed it, please give me a big like and share this to your friends or anybody else that's working on functions or composite functions and such. Yeah, so Other than that, I shall see you guys soon. Ciao.